Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best 1080p gaming monitors in 2025. 1080p in 2025 is actually still reasonable, to be honest. While everyone's chasing 4K dreams, some of us still appreciate buttery smooth frame rates that don't eat up our wallets or GPUs. If you're on a tight budget and looking for the best 1080p gaming monitors in 2025, you're in the right place. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured, so let's get started. The fifth 1080p gaming monitor on our list is the ASUS VY249 HGR monitor, priced at $104.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. Out of the box, we've got our 23.8-inch PS panel that delivers those crisp 16.7 million colors with 178-degree viewing angles, so you're getting consistent visual. The 120 Hz refresh rate paired with 1 millisecond MPRT makes motion surprisingly smooth for casual gaming. Adaptive Sync handles screen tearing nicely, though we're talking FreeSync territory here, not G-Sync. The color accuracy is solid for an entry-level IPS, not studio grade, but definitely punches above budget TN panels. ASUS went hard on the eye care stuff. The blue light filter genuinely helps during long sessions, and the antibacterial coating on bezels is surprisingly practical, though it won't replace regular cleaning. Here's where it gets dated. It only has one HDMI 1.4 and a VGA port, no display port, no USB-C, no multiple HDMI inputs. Our team recommends this for anyone building a budget setup who values eye comfort over premium features. The fourth 1080p gaming monitor on our list is the ASRock Phantom PG27F15 RS1A, priced at $104.77, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. First up, that 1500 R curve. It's aggressive, but not nauseating. Think of it like this. 1500 R means if you made a full circle, the radius would be 1500 millimeter. Your eyes naturally focus about 65 centimeters away, so this curve actually matches your field of view pretty well. Now, 240 Hz at 1080p is where things get spicy. We're talking 4.17 milliseconds per frame versus 6.94 milliseconds at 144 Hz. That extra 2.77 milliseconds might sound tiny, but in competitive gaming, that's the difference between landing a headshot and getting a headshot. This VA panel delivers a 3,000-to-1 contrast ratio, way better than IPS panels that usually cap around 1,000-to-1. That means darker blacks and more punch in your visuals. Best of all, the 90% DCI P3 coverage gives you those oversaturated Marvel movie colors that make games pop. One thing you should know, while DisplayPort 1.2 handles the full 240 Hz, those HDMI 2.0 ports max out at 144 Hz. Our team recommends this for anyone who loves curved displays and wants that immersive wraparound feel. The third 1080p gaming monitor on our list is the Acer AOPEN 24kg 3Y, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. We've got a 23.8-inch IPS panel running at 1920 by 1080 with 180 Hz refresh rate. IPS means better color accuracy and viewing angles compared to VA panels. At 92 ppi pixel density, text looks sharp and crisp, way better than those 27-inch 1080p monitors. The 180 Hz is interesting. It's that middle ground between standard 144 Hz and crazy 240 Hz. You get 5.56 milliseconds per frame versus 6.94 milliseconds at 144 Hz. Not as dramatic as jumping to 240 Hz, but definitely noticeable in fast-paced games, plus it's actually achievable with mid-range GPUs. This panel hits 99% sRGB coverage, which is excellent for an IPS gaming monitor. Colors are accurate without being oversaturated, perfect for both gaming and productivity work. The zero-frame design means minimal bezels, so it looks clean on your desk. The eye protection features are solid. Blue light filter and flicker-free technology actually work. The tilt adjustment is basic but functional. VESA mounting support means you can upgrade to a proper monitor arm later. Take note that the HDMI 1.4 port is capped at 144 Hz. In 2025, HDMI 1.4 feels pretty dated. You're basically locked into DisplayPort for maximum performance. Our team recommends this for gamers with mid-range setups who want smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. The second 1080p gaming monitor on our list is the Z-Edge 27-inch curved gaming monitor priced at $139.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is a 27-inch 1500R curved VA panel running 1080p at 200 Hz. Same aggressive curve as premium monitors, and honestly, it feels pretty immersive. 200 Hz is an interesting choice. You get 5 milliseconds per frame, which is definitely smooth for gaming. The 1 millisecond response time helps with motion clarity, though at this price point, I'd take that spec with a grain of salt. VA panel means better contrast than IPS, darker blacks and more punch in dark scenes. I like that it supports VESA 100x100 mounting, so you can upgrade to a proper monitor arm. The UltraSlime bezels do look clean though. FreeSync support is here, which is good for AMD GPU owners. The eye care features like blue light filtering work fine. Nothing revolutionary, but the basics are covered. Here's where Z-Edge actually nailed it. HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4. That HDMI 2.1 means PS5 and Xbox Series X can hit their full 120 Hz potential, plus you get full 200 Hz on PC through either port. Most budget monitors still use HDMI 2.0, so this is actually impressive. If I have to nitpick, viewing angles aren't as good, and you might notice some color shifting when looking off-center, but for a curved monitor where you sit dead center, that's not a huge deal. Our team recommends this for those who play games with consoles and want that HDMI 2.1 advantage. The best 1080p gaming monitor on our list is the MSI Mag32 C6X, priced at $189.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This 32-inch curved gaming monitor pushes 250 Hz at 1080p. Is this brilliant or bonkers? Let's find out which. 32 inches at 1080p gives you 69 ppi. That's getting into chunky pixel territory. For comparison, a 24-inch 1080p monitor has 92 ppi. You're trading pixel density for screen real estate and that immersive gaming experience. It's a love it or hate it proposition. 250 Hz overclocked refresh rate means 4 milliseconds per frame. We're talking competitive esports territory here. The 1 millisecond MPRT response time is legit for a VA panel, though IPS panels typically edge out VA in pure response time. But here's the thing, you need serious GPU horsepower to feed this beast. This VA panel delivers that punchy contrast VA panels are known for, better blacks than IPS, and more immersive gaming visuals. The color gamut hits 101% sRGB, 81% Adobe RGB, and 78% DCI-P3. That sRGB coverage means colors are actually oversaturated, giving you those vibrant gaming visuals. Standard connectivity here, though MSI doesn't specify the exact ports in the specs. The curved design looks sleek, typical MSI gaming aesthetic. HDR-ready support is basic, HDR 400 level, enough for some pop, but don't expect OLED level contrast. It's also important to note that to actually utilize 250 Hz, you need RTX 4070 Ti or better for competitive titles. Our team recommends this for dedicated competitive FPS gamers. And there you have it, folks, the best 1080p gaming monitors in 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.